Hello everyone, welcome to the mathematical session. So let us start today with the discussion of trigonometric concept, exemplar problems, exercise 3.3 which will be helpful for JEE mains, Karnataka CET, NDA exam. Okay, here is our first question. Okay, so objective type of so let us solve it. Sin theta cosecant theta is equals to 2. So squaring on both sides. So if you square on both sides, so sin square theta secant square theta with 2 times plus 2 times secant theta cosecant theta, so 4 you will get. So the value which you are supposed to find, sin square theta plus secant square cosecant square theta. You can cancel this, they are reciprocals. Sin is reciprocal of cosecant. Send it to the other side, you are getting 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 is the answer we are getting. Next question. Okay, in this type of problems, f of x is equals to cos square theta plus secant square theta. So f of x lies between or equal to less than, these options are given. To solve this kind of problems, we will use the inequality am is greater than or equal to gm. Okay, so am is greater than or equal to gm implies a plus b divided by 2 is always greater than or equal to square root of AB. Okay, so A we will take it as cos square theta or cos square x we will take, and secant square x we will take divided by 2 greater than or equal to square root of secant square x cos square x secant square x. Okay, so cos and secant are both are reciprocal and it will get cancelled, you will get 1. Okay, cos square x plus secant square x is greater than or equal to 1. So denominator as it is. So multiply the denominator other side. So numerator is f of x, multiply denominator here. 2 it is f of x is greater than or equal to 2. So D is the option. Next question. Okay. So here you are supposed to find that theta and psi value. Okay, so we'll use this concept theta plus psi. Okay, tan of theta plus. The formula here is tan theta plus psi divided by 1 minus tan theta tan psi. Okay, if you substitute, tan theta is 1 by 2, psi is 1 by 3, tan psi 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Okay, if you simplify, so here you can see 3 you multiply it here, 2 you multiply it here, 3 plus 2 is 5 you are getting, denominator is 6, no need to write. So denominator is 6 here, if you multiply it here 6 minus 1 you are getting 5 you are getting, denominator is 6. So here tan of theta plus psi is equals to 5 which is nothing but equal to 1 you are getting 1 here. Okay, so therefore you can write using this concept theta plus psi must be 45 degrees. So D is the option. Next, which of the following is not correct? So this is correct. Why means it belongs to minus 1 to plus 1 interval. Okay, this is also correct because it belongs to interval minus 1 to plus 1. So this is also correct because it belongs to real numbers. This is incorrect because this does not belongs to the interval. So 1 by 2 lies here. Okay, so we are subtracting from the real numbers, so it does not belong. So this is incorrect answer. So incorrect answer is the right option. Next, solution. It's a very simple and simplified formula we are having. So tan 1 degree, tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree. Okay, so on up to you will write tan 44 degree. Okay, tan 45 degree. Okay, tan 46 degree we will write it as 90 minus 44 degree. Tan 47 degree we will write it as tan 90 minus 43 degrees. Okay, so on up to tan 89 we will write it as 90 minus 1 we will write. Okay, 90 minus tan. Okay, so this implies tan 1 degree as it is, tan 2 degree as it is, tan 3 degree as it is, so on up to tan 44 degrees as it is, and here we have tan 45 degrees as it is. Tan, it will become cot now, cot 44 degrees. Okay, so now cot 43 degrees, so on up to cot 1 degree. Okay, you will have cot 2 like this. Okay, so everything cancels here. Okay, so tan 45 is, you all know it, it is 1. So 1 is the answer, B is the option. Now very simple and simplified answer we are having cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So in place of theta we have 15 degrees here. So if you substitute in place of theta 15, so cos 2 times 15 degrees is nothing but cos 30 degrees. So cos 30 degrees is nothing but root 3 by 2. C is the option. Next, so here very simple and simplified problem we are having cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree, so on up to somewhere here you will get cos 90 degree also. So on up to cos 179 degree. So cos 90 degree is 0. Since it is in the multiplication concept, any number multiplied to 0 is always 0. So B is the option. Next one. So tan 3 lies in the third quadrant, sin theta you are supposed to find. So sin theta you are supposed to find. Very simple and simplified answer, tan theta is equals to 3 by 1. We will draw a triangle. This we will take it as theta, opposite side by adjacent side. So here by Pythagoras theorem what you can write, so 9 plus 1 square root of 10 you will get. Okay, so now I will write sin theta we are supposed to find. Okay, sin theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, so opposite side by hypotenuse, but the theta lies in the third quadrant. In third quadrant sin is negative. Okay, so C is the option. Okay, now 75 minus. Okay, so this you can easily find tan 75. What is tan 75 value? What is cot 75 value? Okay, tan 75 value is 3 minus cot 75 value is minus. Okay, so 2 plus root 3 minus 2 minus root 3. So 2 plus root 3, so minus sign if you multiply. Okay, 2 will get cancelled. 2 root 3 you will get as an answer. So A is the option. Next, very simple and simplified problem we are having. 1 radian is equals to 57 degrees 17 minutes 45 seconds. It is approximately. Okay, so now if I take 1 radian and 1 degree, which is greater? Of course radian should be greater because it is 57. So sine is an increasing function in the first quadrant, so we can apply sine on both sides. The inequality sign does not change. So here we have, this is the correct answer. So it is radian, all radians. This is, if symbol is not written, you consider it as radians. Next, very simple and simplified answer. This kind of problem we have done it already. So tan alpha plus beta is equals to tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Tan alpha is m divided by m plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2m plus 1. So whole divided by 1 minus m divided by m plus 1 into 1 divided by 2m plus 1. So if I take LCM, numerator's LCM, denominator's LCM is same. So we will multiply this term here, we will multiply this term. So m into 2m plus 1 plus m plus 1 whole divided by m plus 1 2m plus m 2m plus 1 minus m. Okay, so if I multiply m inside, 2m square m plus m plus m. So denominator, if I multiply 2m square plus m plus 2m plus 1 minus m. So we will cancel m and m in the denominator. Okay, and we will write it here. Okay, 2m square is equals to 2m plus 1, 2m square 2m plus 1. So gets cancelled, you are getting. So tan alpha plus beta is equals to 1. So alpha plus beta must be 45 degrees. D is the option. Next, so very simple and simplified answer we are having. So c minus square root of a square plus b square is less than or equal to a cos x plus b sin x plus c is less than or equal to c plus square root of a square plus b square. Here it is called a maximum value of this function. Here it is called a minimum value of the given function. Okay, now minimum value how you can find? So here a is 3, b is 4 and c is 8. C is 8 we are having. So if you substitute, c is 8 minus square root of, okay, 3 square plus 4 square, 25 square root. 25 square root is 5, so minus 5. So 3 is the answer you are getting. D is the option, minimum value. Now this is a NCERT standard problem. Okay, as you can see, so you can solve it easily. The NCERT prove that problem directly, you can take it the inequality which we are having. Okay, or you can solve, not a problem, I will show it. Okay, so tan 3x or 3a can be written as tan 2a plus a, you can write. So now go on applying the formula, tan a plus b formula. This already, okay, cross multiply as it is we are written. Okay, so now multiply tan 3a to inside, okay, send this term to the other side. Okay, you will get the answer. Tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a is multiplication of all the 3. Tan 3a, tan 2a, tan a. Okay, so this is what the answer we are having. So option A is the correct one. So here is the solution which we are having. Sin 45 plus theta cos 45 minus theta. Sin A plus B formula, cos A minus B formula. sin A cos B plus cos A sin B minus cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. That's what here. 1 by root 2 cos theta, 1 by root 2 sin theta, 1 by root 2 cos theta, 1 by root 2 sin theta. So everything get cancelled. So 0 is the answer. D is the option. Okay, cot 45. So very simple and simplified answer which we are having here. So cot 45 plus theta, cot 45 minus theta. So this implies cot 45 is cot 45 theta plus 1 divided by cot theta cot 45. Next, cot 45 cot theta minus 1 divided by cot theta plus cot 45. So this is what the simplification. So cot 45 is 1, you can cancel denominator, numerator, denominator can cancel and write it as 1 is the answer. So C is the option which we have. A very simple and simplified answer which we are having, cos 2 theta cos 2 psi plus sin square theta minus psi minus of sin square theta plus psi we are. So now formula, sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equals to sin square A minus sin square B we are having. So using this formula we will simplify the concept. Sin A plus sin theta minus psi plus sin, you write theta plus psi, sin theta minus psi minus of theta plus psi. Psi it is plus, so if you go for cancellation, so 2 theta you are getting here, minus sign, so minus 2 psi. If you simplify the minus and multiplied, cancellation everything. Now cos 2 theta cos 2 psi minus sin 2 theta, so minus sign will come outside of the sign and it will be multiplied with the plus sign. So it is nothing but formula for cos A plus B formula, cos theta cos 2 psi. So this implies cos 2 times theta plus psi. So that is what the answer we are having. B option. Cos 12 cos 84 cos 156 cos 132. Okay, we will rewrite all these terms. Cos 156 cos 12 cos 132 cos 84. Okay, so now we will apply formula for this part, and we will apply formula for the second part also. Cos A plus cos B, 2 times cos A plus B divided by 2 cos A minus B divided by 2. Next, 2 times cos A plus B divided by 2 cos A minus B divided by 2. Okay, this implies 2 times cos 84 cos 72 plus cos 108 cos 24. Okay, so this implies 2 times cos 84 cos 90 minus 18 we can write, plus 2 times cos 90 plus 18 we can write, cos 24. So this implies cos 84 sin 18, so minus 2 times sin 18 cos 24. So why? Minus, it is in the second quadrant, so cos is 20. 2 times sin 18 cos 84 cos 24. Okay, now we will apply formula for this. 2 times sin 18 minus 2 sin A plus B divided by 2 sin A minus B divided by 2. So this implies 2 times sin 18 degrees minus 2 108 divided by 2, 108 divided by 2, 54. 54. Next year 36, 18 you will get. 18, no 18. So it is 60, 30 degrees. Now here we will write. This implies 2 times sin 18 minus 2 times sin 90 minus 36 sin 30 degrees. This implies 2 times cos 36 degrees sin 30 degrees. I will apply all the formulas, all the values. Okay, sin 18 is root of 5 minus 1 by 4 to minus 2 root of 5 plus 1 divided by 4 into 1 by 2. So we will cancel this. So this you get 5 minus 1 minus 2 into is 16. What is it? Minus 2 minus 4 16, which is nothing but answer. So very simple and simplified answer which we are having. Solution. Okay, so first we will find tan 2a. We will find 2 times tan a 1 minus tan square. Okay, 2 times tan a is 1 by 2 and 1 divided by 1 by 2 square, it is 4x. If you simplify, cancellation, okay, multiply it, 4 by 3 you get. Now tan 2a plus b is equals to tan 2a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan 2a plus b is equals to, so 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, the denominator is same, numerator's denominator. Okay, here we are having 5 by 3, here we are having a 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 by 9 you got, or 3 square you can write. You will get cancel, numerator also will get, and 2a plus b is equals to, if you take it to the numerator it will become 3. So 3 is the option. So solution 48 sine pi by 10 sine 13 pi by 10. We can write it as sine pi by 10 sine pi plus 3 pi by 10. Okay, right, minus sine 10 sine 3 by 3 pi by 10. So because second here it is sine 18 degrees, here it is sine 18 means 54 degrees, right? Sine 18 degrees, okay, cos 36 degrees. Okay, sine 54 can be written as sine 90 minus 36, which is nothing but cos 36 degrees. Okay, minus sine root 5 minus 1 divided by 4 into root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. It's nothing but minus 4 minus 1 divided by 60, which is 5 it is. So which is nothing but 4 divided by 60, which is nothing but minus 1 by 4 is the answer. Okay, next. Okay, solution sine 50 degrees sine 70 degrees plus sine 10 degrees. Very simple and simplified problem. 2 times cos 50 plus 70 divided by 2, cos A minus cos sin A minus sin B, sin 10 degrees as it is. So this, if you simplify, 2 as it is, cos 60 degrees, this you are getting sin minus 10 degrees plus sin 10 degrees. This implies minus, I will take it outside, 2 times sin 2 sin 10 degrees get cancelled, sin 10 degrees, here is the minus. So 0 is the answer, B is the option. Next one. So very simple and simplified answer which we are having. Solution sin theta plus cos theta is equals to 1, squaring on both sides, sin square theta plus cos square theta times sin theta cos theta is equals to 1. So here it is, this value you know it, 1 plus 2 times sin square theta cos square theta is sin 2 theta 1. So cancellation, so sin 2 theta must be 0. So first we will expand this. First we will go for this expansion. 1 plus tan alpha tan beta tan alpha tan beta. Okay, so this is what for first condition. Next, now alpha plus beta is equals to 45. So applying tan on both sides. Okay, tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta 1. Okay, so when you go for cross multiplication, tan alpha plus tan beta is equals to 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Okay, substitute in this equation. If you substitute in this equation, tan alpha plus tan beta, okay, so here implies 1 as it is plus 1 minus tan alpha tan beta plus tan alpha tan beta. Tan alpha tan beta will get cancelled, so 2 is the answer. The solution for this: sin theta is equals to minus 5 by 4 theta in third quadrant. Okay, cos formulas we are having. So cos 2 theta is equals to 2 times cos square theta minus 1. So if you remove this 2 here divided by 2, okay. So cos theta you have to find from here. So cos theta is equals to plus or minus square root of 1 minus sin square theta plus or minus 1 minus sin square is 16 by 25, which is nothing but so 3 by 5. Okay, cos theta. Okay, but cos theta, it is in the third quadrant it is negative. Okay, because theta lies in third quadrant. Theta lies in third quadrant. Next, now 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 is equals to cos theta. This implies 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 is equals to minus 3 by 5. So go for you. 2 times cos square theta by 2 is equals to 1 minus, so 2 times cos square theta by 2 is equals to 2 by 5, so 2 will get cancelled on the opposite side, putting plus or minus root 5. Okay, theta by 2, so this implies cos theta by 2 is equals to 1 by root 2, whether it is positive or negative we'll check. So 180 less than theta less than 270. Okay, 2 divided by 2. 90 less than theta by 2 less than 3 by 4. Okay, so this is in second quadrant. Okay, second quadrant. So second quadrant cos is negative. So negative root 5 is the number of solutions. How many number of solutions are there? I too don't know. Solution: tan x secant x 2 times. So if you simplify, sin x cos x 1 by cos x 2 times cos x. So if you take LCM, sin x plus 1 2 times, if you multiply it to the other side denominator, sin x plus 1 2 times 1 minus sin square x, 2 times sin square x plus sin x, you bring 2 to the other side, minus 1. Okay, minus 2 is the option which we are having, plus 2 minus. Okay, 2 times sin x is equals to sin x plus 1 minus 1 if you take sin x plus 1. Here this implies 2 sin x minus 1. So this implies 2 times sin x minus 1 is equals to 0. 2 times sin x minus 1 is equals to 0, or 1 by 2, or minus 1. So if at all minus 1, so 1 by 2 x must be equal to pi by 3, or x must be equal to 1 means 270. Okay, so number of solutions, 2 values, you got 2 solutions. Now solution. Okay. Sine 10 degrees, sine 20 degrees, sine 40 degrees, sine 50 degrees. This is 10, 20, 40, 50 degrees. So this we will rewrite it. Sine 50 plus sine 10 I will write. Sine 40 plus sine 20 I will write. Okay. So this one sine 180 minus 130 I will write, plus sine 10 as it is. Sine 180 minus 140 I will write, plus sine 20. Sine second quadrant 130 as it is. 10 is also second quadrant 140, 20. Okay. So in this case we will apply sin A plus sin B formula. In this case also sin A plus sin B. So 2 times sin 130 plus 10 divided by 2 cos 130 minus 10 divided by 2 sin 140 minus 20 divided by 2 cos 140 is plus sign here minus. This was the formula we have. Next 2 times sin 60 cos not 60, it is 70. Okay, it is cos 60 degrees plus 2 times 60 sin 80 cos 60 degrees. Okay, so we will take 2 cos 60 degrees outside, sin 70 plus sin 80. This implies 2 times 1 by root 2. Sin 70 we can write it as 1 divided by pi times 80. Sin 80 you can write 8 times 1 divided by 80. Okay, these two will get cancelled and you are getting sin 7 pi by 18. So you can go for cancellation, plus sin 4 pi by 9 also can write. Okay, so this is what the answer here. The solution 3 tan A plus 4 is equals to 0. Tan A is equals to what you are getting, minus 4 by 3 here. This is tan A. So using tan A we can get cot A. Okay, A lies in the second quadrant. Okay, secant square A is equals to 1 plus tan square A. Simplies 1 plus 16 by 9, which is nothing but 25 by 9 here. So secant A is equals to plus or minus 5 by 3, which implies cos A is equals to plus or minus 3 by 5. Okay, so this implies cos A is equals to minus 3 by 5 because A belongs to second quadrant. Okay, so we have found. Now cot sine value we have to find. So sine A is equals to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos square E. Okay, plus or minus 1 by 9 by 25, okay, which is nothing but 64 by 5 it is. Okay, sine A. Okay, therefore sine A is equals to plus 4 by 5 because A belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant sine is positive. So we got cot. By this you can write cot A value 3 by 4. Okay, we'll take this equation and we'll substitute this. Now 2 times cot A minus 5 times cos A plus sine. So this implies 2 times cot A is minus 3 by 4. 5 times cos A is minus 5 plus sine is 4 by 5. Okay, LCM here are having 20. Okay, 20 is the LCM, so you have to multiply it by 15 minus 30 we got. You have to multiply 4, 12 you got 60 plus here you have to multiply 4, 16 you got. So 46 divided by 20, which is nothing but 10 by 23 is the answer. Cos A plus B cos 48 plus 12 degrees into cos 48 minus 12 degrees to cos square 48 sin square 12 cos 60 degrees cos 36 degrees is equals to cos square 48 minus sin square 48. Okay, so it is 1 by 2, so 36 is root 5 plus 1, it is root 5 plus 1 divided by 8 is the answer which we are having. Cos 2 alpha is 1 plus tan square alpha divided by 1 minus tan, so this is what the formula we have. 1 minus tan square alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. So sin 2 alpha is 2 times tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. So we will apply this formula. First one, cos 2 alpha value, that is alpha value, tan alpha value, will substitute 1 divided by square plus 1 divided by square. So this is nothing but 49. 49 if you take it to the other side, 48. Okay, 48 by 49 we got, by 50 we got, which is nothing but 24 by 25 is the answer for this. This is first one solution. Next part, Next part we will write sine 4 times you will take sine 4 beta is equals to 2 times 2 beta divided by 1 plus tan square 2 beta. This value we have to calculate. Okay, tan 2 beta is equals to 2 times tan beta divided by 1 minus tan square beta. Okay, so beta value tan beta, so 2 times 1 by 3 divided by 2 times 1 by 9 watt. So if you take LCM, what you are getting? So if you take LCM, so 2 by 3 it is 8 by 9. Cancel it 3 times. So answer you are supposed to get, you take it to the numerator, and 2 also you can get cancel, it is 4. So that is 3 by 4 watt. So 3 by 4 if you substitute in this, not 16, 9 by 16. So what you are getting? So 2 into 3 by 4 whole divided by 16, 25 by 16, 16 4 times you got. Okay, so if you take it to the numerator, 2 into 3 into 4 divided by 25, which is nothing but, so 24 by 25. So therefore you can write cos 2 alpha is equals to, so it is sine 4 beta. Okay, so this is what the answer. Next problem, similar question we are having. Okay, cos theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta by 1 plus sine square theta. Next one, sine 2 theta is equals to 2 times tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is one part of our calculation. A square b square 1 plus a square b square. So denominator is same. So b square minus a square. So b square plus a square. So here a by b divided by 1 plus a square b square. So here it is nothing but, so b square. So bb will get cancelled. 2 ab we will get divided by b square plus a square. Next, in the next part we will substitute in this b cos 2 theta plus a sin 2 theta. This implies b as it is, so b square minus a square divided by b square a square. So this is what first substitution. Next, a into 2ab divided by b square a square. So denominator is same, denominator is b square plus a square. So b as it is, b square minus a square plus a square b. So numerator, if I take b outside, so b square a square plus 2a. Okay, you take the common side. So numerator b square minus 2 minus a square plus 2a square. 1 a square will be, that would be plus sign, and cancel these two. So this implies B is the correct answer. So option B is the correct answer. So very simple answer which we are having here. So cos theta is equals to x plus 1. Okay, this implies, if I take the LCM, x cos theta x square plus 1. Okay, so this implies x square minus cos x plus 1 is equals to 0. So here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus theta, and c is equals to 1. Okay, so b square is a minus 4ac value we will find. So cos square theta minus 4 times 1 into 1 it is. This implies cos square theta minus 4. So it is always less than 0. So therefore no real root is possible. Okay, so this implies no value for theta is possible. Okay, so this is the answer.